In this video, you'll learn how to set stop losses and take profits on the Binance trading platform. This guide will walk you through the steps required to manage your trades effectively by utilizing these important order types. Start by logging into your Binance account. After successfully signing in, navigate to the trading interface. You can choose between the spot or futures trading page based on your trading preferences. Once you are on the desired page, select the trading pair that you wish to manage. Ensure that you remain within the order placement section to access the necessary features for setting your stop losses and take profits. Next, locate the order type selection area on your trading interface. Depending on the layout of your Binance interface, you will find either a stop limit order or a TP/selection. Click on the appropriate choice to proceed. This selection allows you to specify both a stop price and a limit price for your stop loss. When setting your take profit level, ensure that it aligns with your trading strategy and market conditions. After entering the necessary prices, take a moment to review your trigger prices carefully. It is important to double check that the stop price and limit price are set as intended. Once you are satisfied with the details, confirm the order placement by clicking the appropriate button, typically labeled confirm or place order. This action will initiate the stop loss and take profit conditions for your selected trading pair. Once your order is confirmed, you should monitor your open orders. This observation ensures that your stop loss and take profit orders remain active and function as expected. If you notice any discrepancies or changes in market conditions, you may need to adjust your orders accordingly. Be aware that market volatility can impact the execution of these orders. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.